Hi everyone, and welcome to Clean Up with Kelly. In today's video, I'm going to do a Grove collaborative unboxing and show you what I ordered, so keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to open this up. I got a pretty big order this time, and sometimes I forget what I order, so just being honest, but yeah, sometimes I forget, so it's kind of a surprise a little bit here. Alright, so I got 11 items here, okay? Woo. So I'm just gonna pull things out at random here. So this is from Grove Collaborative. This is the glass hand soap bottle. I'm excited to see this. I think it's new. Okay. You gotta be careful because this is glass, so I understand. Pretty. This is for hand soap, so I'm really excited to put this in my kitchen. What else we got in here? Alright, I have a Mrs. Meyer's scented soy candle, and this is a lavender scent, which I've never bought this lavender one before, so I'm gonna smell this one. Oh, that's nice. I think this will go in our bathroom. It's really nice smell. It's like a sweet lavender smell if you've ever had it. Okay. I always tape up everything, which is good because you don't want it to leak everywhere. So this is by Bulldog, and it is skincare for men. And we got, this is a face scrub and then a face wash. So my husband really likes this one. It doesn't break you out or anything. Pretty sensitive skin, both of us do. So he's been really liking this. So he asked me to order more for him. Here we go. And then I wanted to try this Alba Botanica. This is a Hawaiian 3-in-1 clean towelettes. So this is a 3-in-1 makeup remover, cleanser, and toner. And I've never tried it, so I'm gonna smell it. I like to smell stuff. Like any cleaning products, that's the first thing I do. I wanna know what it smells like, so I'm gonna smell this one. It's nice. It's like a very light pineapple scent. It's really nice. So I think this was a free gift. It is a Spices Flour Sack Towel by Grove. I'll open that up for you. Cute. I have one of their aprons too. It's really, it's like a light pink. It's really cute. I think I got it for last spring. Okay. So it has like all the little spices on it. That's really cute. They do send a lot of free gifts, and I think that was a part of it. And I think along with that, they sent me, so this was a gift, the gel hand soap in the lemon, eucalyptus, and mint. I've been trying to go through all of my cleaning supplies and not buying anymore, and I'm almost done with that. So this is going to be a great way to keep the clutter away. So I just have like one pack for my hand gel. Same with the dish soap. So it's the same scent, and it's for your dishes. That'll be good. And then I also got another dish soap. So I think this was the gift because I have 2 of them. And this is in the lavender and thyme scent. I am good on soap for a while. I'm gonna open these other glass bottles. So this is the dish soap bottle and I have 2 of them because one was a gift. I'm figuring all this out. Okay. It's glass, so you know. Ooh, that's really pretty. I love the white. That's really nice. That's gonna look really, really pretty next to my sink. Yeah, I'm excited about this. So like I said, I have another one here. I won't open it. It's the same bottle. Alright, so here is everything I got in this order. It is mostly soap and then those bottles that I got. I'm so excited to try them out. I will leave a link to Grove in the description box. They're always giving away a free gift for new customers, so feel free to take a look at what they have. I really hope you enjoyed this haul, and if you're new to my channel, I hope that you consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.